Hello my dear student, hope you are fine and taking care of yourself at your home. We are doing chapter light. Before starting the next topic, please do like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for further notification. You know that we are doing topic related to spherical mirror. We have done magnification in the previous class. We have come to know about the formulas, that is 1 by V plus 1 by U is 1 by F. That was the mirror formula we have done. Then we have done magnification is given by height of image to the height of object, or it is also is equal to minus V by U. These formulas we have done in the previous class. Now we will use these formulas and sign convention to solve the numericals related to mirror. So let's start from your NCERT only. I'm having this NCERT book in my hand. So first of all, let us discuss the question number 7. You can see this given in your book on page 186. On page 186, you can see this question. This question is, we wish to obtain an erect image of an object using a concave. What type of image they are saying? Erect image. And what type of, which mirror is given in the question? Using a concave mirror. So what is given? Question number 7. What is given? Erect image and concave mirror. This is already given in the question. And what is given after that? The focal length of the concave mirror is 15 centimeter. So what is the focal length of the concave mirror? That is given 15 centimeter. So according to the sign convention, we will take minus 15. Or here we are not talking about the numerical to solve. So later on we will use according to that. Now the next question is, what should be the range of the distance of the object from the mirror? So this is the first part. They are asking only range, not asking that calculate exact distance of the image. Only range is asking. Second part, they are asking what is the nature of the image, and then is image larger or smaller than the object, and then last, draw a ray diagram to show the image formation in this case. So overall it's a complete question of 5 mark. Focal length is given this. We know that in concave mirror, when the object is very near to the mirror, means less than focal length, then it forms virtual and erect image. Earlier in ray diagrams we have proved it. So first of all he is asking range of the object. Only range he is asking. So not solving. So we will use focal length. So what we have done there? Object should be placed between pole and focus. Object should be placed between pole and focus, and we have done earlier in sign convention rules that pole is considered as origin. So what is the range? We can say that is object should be placed greater than 0 but less than 15 centimeter. So this is the answer in terms of range. Clear? What is asking? Erect image is there, and we know that when the object is placed very near to the pole, it forms virtual image. Not real. It will form behind the mirror. And what is the nature of that? What is the size? This becomes nature. And what is the size? Enlarge. This we have already done, but using this we are doing today. And what the question is saying? To draw it. So first of all, take a mirror. It's a concave mirror. Its aperture. Its mid is pole. Focus. Center. Place the object between this anywhere. So AB is the object. One ray falls oblique to this. Another ray, it get reflected with the same angle. So this is R, and another ray will pass through the center of curvature. So when we will produce it back, it appears to meet at a point, and this point is known as A dash and B dash. So what we have got? Whenever the object is placed between pole and focus, it forms a virtual and erect image, and it forms behind the mirror. It is enlarged, okay, and where we have to put less than focal length, then only this condition is satisfied. So this question is over. Now let's come to the next question. Next question is question number 8, given in your NCERT. Already we have discussed, so let's do that also. That question I have explained you earlier also. Name the type of mirror used in the following situations. Headlights of car. Headlights of car, we want a parallel beam of light. So we use concave mirror here because when the object is placed at focus, so then it gives a parallel beam of light. Next is side mirror. We know that whenever the driver are using the mirror at the side, so it should be convex. Why? Because it forms virtual, erect and diminished image, and moreover it covers a wider field of view. In ray diagrams, already I have explained you this question. Solar furnace. As you know that solar furnace, when rays will fall on the sun, on the mirror, then it concentrated to one point, converges to one point. So that is concave mirror only, which have real focus. So here we will use the concave mirror. So 3 parts over, and I have given the reasons also with that. Now the next question is related to this numerical only. That is question number 12 now. Between the questions are related to lens. So question number 12. What is that? The question is, this is really a numerical. So let's see that an object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. So what is given? Distance of object. So we will write object distance. What is given? That is represented by u, and that is given 10 centimeter. So we will take it minus 10. Let us see, it is given 10 or 15. 10 centimeter only. 15 is focal length. And what is the focal length of convex mirror? Focal length of convex mirror, that is given by f. And we know that when we are having convex mirror, its focus is virtual. If you will complete this circle, you will get its focus is behind the reflecting surface. So it is on right hand side of the pole. So according to the sign convention, plus 15 centimeter. What is asking now? Position of image, that we have to calculate. That is V value asking, and nature of image, that is asking. So what we will do? We will use mirror formula. What is mirror formula? 1 by V plus 1 by U is 1 by F. Substitute the value. We have to calculate 1 by V. So first let us transfer U here. Now put the values. Plus 15 minus upon minus 10. This will become plus 1 by 10. So what you will get? 30 LCM. 2 plus 3. That you will get 5 by 30. 1 by 6 plus you have got. So what we have got? This 1 by V. So V will becomes plus 6 centimeter. What is the meaning of V plus 6? Plus means behind the reflecting surface. That is right side. So it means it is virtual. And moreover, we can calculate the magnification for the nature. That is M is equal to minus V by U. Put the value minus, what is the V value? Plus 6. And what is the U value? Minus 10. That becomes cancel out. So 0.6 centimeter. So it got positive. So what does it mean? Whenever magnification is positive, we can say that image is virtual and erect, and this value is less than 1. So we can say that it is diminished image. Moreover, you know it. We have already done for convex mirror. Image are virtual, erect and diminished. So you can verify your answer also. So what we have got? Positive magnification. So it is a virtual image, and less than 1. So it is diminished image. Object is placed. Image is formed behind the mirror. As you can see that plus 6, focal length is 15. So it comes less than focal length. So it between pole and focus. So our answer is also verified here. So for today you will do practice of these questions, and you can try other numericals in your NCERT. For today this is there. Thank you and have a nice day.